Got myself an off-brand hot glue gun that works with DeWalt battery, 20 volt, for Christmas. And I'm gonna be testing it. I gotta put this little magnet back on my thingy here. I think it was already glued once. See if this does it. This is how it comes. Link will be in the description below, or the product. It's on Amazon. I think it's like 28 bucks. There's one with the glue and one without the glue. This one comes with the glue. Tons of glue sticks. It's not a normal size that a glue stick would be. It's a little bit smaller, but Amazon has them for like $7 for like 75 of them. It says it'll take 90 seconds to heat up. We'll test that. Preheat gun for 3 to 5 minutes. We'll test that. The glue solidifies in 30 seconds. After using the glue gun, keep away from other stuff. And there's your diagnostics. That's all that's in the box. So far, I've had this out for a little bit. I have not put any glue through it. This is near worthless. When you put it down, there is a model that doesn't have it. I'd almost buy it without. But it touches. And this is kind of worthless. So you might as well not have that. And when you have a battery in it, it sits upright because of the weight of the battery. I do like that they advertise it's 2 fingers, not just one. I don't know if you guys buy them cheapos. When you use one finger, it kind of hurts after a while. Nice little visibility area in there. Don't know what the light is on the back or that notch. Doesn't tell you anything about that. But this is the on and off switch, and it'll light up down here when it's on. The tip gets hot. It is a bigger tip than most hot glue guns. But they say it doesn't drip, and like the reviews say, there isn't a hot glue gun out there that doesn't drip that we know of. Let's try it. I'm gonna put it in, and then we're gonna set an alarm. Alarm, not alarm. I got this little thingy here. On, bam, on. I'll flip that switch. See what happens. I think I'm on the wrong thing. Mode, there we go. Bam. So there it goes. A little red light comes on. It's not taking too much out of that. I got a random box here. We'll see at 3 minutes if it'll put any through. Just put one stick in for now. Not that much hangs out. So that much has went in. We're at 30 seconds. I would put one of them ray gun temperature things on here, but it's reflectant, and them things don't work right with reflective. Coming up on 1 minute. There, it's just now too hot to the touch. We'll wait 2 minutes. Move that out of the way so it doesn't. I'm gonna glue 2 cardboard boxes together and then glue this back on there, see if it works. Minute and a half. I can feel the heat off of it. Two minutes. See if anything squeezes out. It's definitely warm enough to squeeze out. It's taking it and pushing it in. Go nice and slow. getting a little bit stiffer. I don't think it's hot enough yet. It's almost taking a whole stick. Just, oh, there it goes. There it goes. So at 2 minutes, it was ready to go. There we got some. Let's put these two boxes together. And in the meantime, that almost took a whole stick. That's going to sit over there for 30 seconds. Yeah, the stuff's just, it's not coming out. Just now hitting 3 minutes. I'm going to have to put another stick in there, I think, to use it. Oh, don't need another stick. There, I'm going to wipe the stuff off the end of the tip. See if it, at 4 minutes, if it drips out of there. It says 30 seconds for cure. We'll check it on the box. So far, nothing's dripping out. It's always nice to clean off the tip before you put it away while it's still hot. Okay, that's been 30 seconds. Let's see. I should have scraped this box up a little bit, so it'll most likely come apart. Oh, wow, that's pretty good. See it tearing in there. Doesn't want to give up. Yeah, look at that. That was a pretty good bond. And that was all done within under 4 minutes from turning it on. If I would have let that sit there longer or put a goose clear across there, I would have never got that apart. Pretty nice. I'd say after 2 minutes, it's ready to go. Oh, it is starting to drip a little. Right out the tip. Clean the tip up a little bit. There. And then when you're done with it, just shut it off. Thanks for watching.